Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to each and one of you. I am so thankful for you guys. Today I have a classic smoky eye. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer. I am using the e.l.f. concealer. And then I go and I blend it out on my lid with a Araceli Beauty sponge. I want to make sure that the concealer is really nice and blended and it's not creasing, so that the eyeshadows pop a little bit more and are easier to work with. I like to do this before I do any eye look. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Makeup Geek shadow palette, and I believe it's the color Corrupt. I did put a little bit of setting powder under my eyes because I am working with a black shadow and I didn't want to ruin my foundation. So I am patting the color onto my lid, making sure that it is as pigmented as I like it. I mean, it's black shadow, so it's going to be really dark. So I'm just patting this color onto the lid and working my way up. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a brown reddish shadow, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease. I do have a discount code with Makeup Geek. I will list all my discount codes down below so I don't have to repeat myself for you guys, because I know it gets annoying a little bit when you have to keep repeating. I just want to make sure you guys get a discount, and I really appreciate you guys using my discount code. It really helps me out and it helps me support my channel. So I want to thank you guys for using my discount code. Alright, next up I'm using another orangey brown shade, and I'm applying that on top of that just because I wanted a smoky eye, but yet I still wanted a little bit of warmth, so that's what I did. Then I'm going with the lighter shade and just blend the edges out just to make sure that it's really nice and blended, and it just made the look come out a little bit nicer. I feel I really like it. Then I went back and I just reapplied the black shadow. Then I went with the shimmery shade and applied it right onto my brow bone. Then I went back and I blended out everything with that same lighter shade that I used. I will list all the names down below for you guys if you guys are interested, because you can also get these as singles, but I believe it's a lot better if you do get them with the palette. So yeah, so just removing the powder, see if any fallout, the powder helps to catch that and you won't get like your foundation ruined. Going back with Corrupt, and I am applying this on the bottom lash line. I'm working my way slowly just because I wanted to keep the black shadow like in one spot so it wouldn't like be too crazy. I feel like if you do bring the black shadow a little bit too low, it looks like you got punched in the eye. So I really wasn't going for that. I just wanted a really nice smoky eye. So I'm just going back and retouching anything that I feel that needs to be retouched, anything that I feel like I'm losing the intensity of the color. So I just go back and then blend everything out. Then I decided I needed a pop of something. So ColourPop did send me these new jelly glitter things. I don't know what they're called. So I decided to apply it right onto the tear duct, and it just made the eyeshadow pop. I'm using some bold lashes. These are so pretty. Then I decided I needed some eyeliner, and of course I went with the nude eyeliner just to make my eyes look brighter and more awake, because I feel when I do smoky eyes, I look evil. I don't know why I feel that way, but I feel like I look evil. Then I'm going with Morphe mascara. I really like this mascara. I feel like it makes my eyelashes pop and it makes them look bigger. They do have that primer lash thing that it's blue. I've tried it and it works as well. Then I'm going with a Morphe lipstick. I'll list it down below because I forgot the name of it. And then I went ahead and applied a gloss on top of that just to make the lip a little bit more nuder, because I felt like it was a little too pink for my liking. And yeah, that's basically it. It was simple, easy. I haven't done a classic smoky eye in a while, and I hope you guys really like this look. I do have a tutorial on this hair, so just click the I'll list it down below so you guys can click the link, and up there if you guys want. And thank you guys again for watching. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. I love you all, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.